Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to deactivate a page on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app and choose your page. Just click, double click menu and choose your page. Okay, and tap on menu option, scroll down, click on settings and privacy, tap on settings and search on delete. Okay, then back, scroll down, try another way. Okay, tap on access and control. Okay, then deactivate page. Okay, then select, tap on continue and to deactivate a page on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.